Well, hello. Welcome to the bathroom of Daniel Oakley. Right, it's time to start stripping this out. I got a new shower tray and cubicle with a folding door. That comes tomorrow, so I want to try and prep, get the tiles off. I'm going to go and look at some tiles later. I know kind of got an idea what I want. But yeah, we'll see if we can get them. So what I'm going to do at the moment, if I turn you around, obviously got to get that shower head off. I'm going to get all these tiles off on this side. I'll leave the bath in a minute so I can still have a rough shower. Get all the way to there. Now, these ones, I don't know, I might just tile over them. I think that's what they've done on this side. If I look in here, you can kind of see, I think they've tiled over those. So that's what I'll do, I'll tile over them. So this will be the same tiles here as on that side. And I think this, I'll emulsion it and then use some emulsion varnish to seal it. I'm thinking of having new windows fitted, but I've got to price it up yet. Double glazed ones, but we'll see. Obviously, a new vanity unit. I'll have to get a new vanity unit. I've got a new mirror. I won't show you that yet. It's quite unique. Got that in, I can't remember where I got it from now. Dartmouth? I think I was, no, not Dartmouth. In Teignmouth. So yeah. So let's crack on and try and get these tiles off. Okay, well, I have put safety glasses on because it is chipping a bit. I was a bit stupid not to in the first place. But yeah, it's coming off all right. So, turn the camera. I'll take that shower head off in a minute. Obviously, that's all that's come off. I'll bag that up and take it down to the recycle centre. Right, so what I'm doing now, all the tiles are all off. Probably already told you that. But now I'm undercoating all the wood, and then I'm going to paint that. I can't remember what colour I've got now. I think it's Timeless, Dulux Timeless bathroom paint. That'll be the ceiling and the wood bits there, and then the tiling, that'll all be tiles. Now when I'm tiling, I will video it, but I'll probably do it in black and white so that you don't see what colour it is. That'll be like the end thing. But yeah, so it's getting there. Shower turned up yesterday. It's going to be tight. I ordered one that's 1,900 millimeters high. It is going to be tight. I should have got the 1,800 one, but I brought the 1900 one, but it'll fit, it'll be tight on the top. If I have to take a bit of the wood out, I'll take a bit of the wood out, a line so it slots in slightly. But the joys of having a narrowboat, isn't it? So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. So I'll finish undercoating, leave that to dry. I'm going to probably take the bath out later. I've worked a way of doing the plumbing for the shower. The pipes will have to go through into the bedroom along, which is all undercover. There's a big cupboard in there. There's pipes in there already. Run along and then come back in the wall behind the shower. So that wall. Yeah, I'll explain it when I do it. I'm trying to explain it in my head now. But yeah, so I'll see you again in a bit. Okay, so 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to bed now, but I've been painting. So that's 2 coats of emulsion, well, an undercoat, a special undercoat, and then 2 coats of emulsion on all the wood parts. It's called Timeless, I think I said that earlier. That's where one of the mushrooms are outside. Aerate the boat. So I might give it another coat. Not sure yet. Yeah, so that's that done. So that's it for today. I'm going to probably take the bath out tomorrow because I'm going away. I'm on leave as of Saturday. So I'm going to Pembrokeshire. I might do some filming, I don't know yet, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, let's go to bed. Well, good morning. Right, I left you last night. I went to bed. I'd been painting until I think it was 10, half 10. So yeah, that's kind of done. Now today, I'm going to get the bath out. I have popped out to look at some copper piping to do the shower and that with. I've got some pieces for that. But now it's time to get the bath out so we can sort out where the shower tray is going to go, and then work out where the piping and the waste is going to go. I think the waste could be the problem. The piping isn't. I think the waste could be. But let's have a look anyway under the bath. So it's obviously held in with these metal struts. So I've taken those 2 bolts out there. And there's 2 at the back. Yeah. That's the pump, the waste pump. I have noticed it got blocked the other day. It's leaking. I might get a new one. So everything's new then. I've disconnected the tap pipes. So they're done. I marked them up as well, hot and cold. So the plan is, behind that wall there is the bedroom. Now, obviously you've got the bed, and underneath there's some cupboards that I don't even use. There's 2 old laptops in there that are broken. So what I'll do is I'll run the pipes in under the bed and then out and then up the wall. So it'll be plastic, copper up to the shower, and then that's it. I do still think the shower's going to be tight, but we'll see. But yeah, right, let's crack on and get this bath out. I'm not going to film you undoing bolts and that. I'll just film it when I actually pull it out. Right, so I'll see you again in a minute. Right, that's the bath out. I've already taken it down a skip. Took it down earlier. So that's me. That's without the bath. Obviously I'm going to use some of that pipe, and I'll put the taps back on, obviously, to block it off. If I switch the main pump off, water pump, it won't leak anyway. There will no water, no water pressure. Blip, 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 blip. So yeah, I'm just trying to get this. I might have to carry on. It's a bit late now, but trying to get this wooden batten out because yeah, screwed it in and all the heads are all ruined. So the drill or the screwdriver won't pick it up. So I'm just hammering it off with a hammer and chisel. Now, I'm going to have to cover those pipes up. It's more than what I thought, and I'm obviously going to have to go into the floor to put the trap in. The floor's a bit lifted there, but it's fine. But yeah, so that's where we are. So I'm going to go and get a bath round good old Pauline's. She's let me use her shower or bath. So I'm going to do that. And then we'll have something to eat later, and I'll call it a day for today. I might dry fit the shower, put it in, and then I'll show you tomorrow. Because I'm shattered. Trying to get that bath out was an absolute pain in the bottom. So yeah. But we done it, we got there. So I'm in Daniel Oakley's bathroom. The tiles turned up today, but I couldn't start it. I couldn't put the shower gel in, because what I've decided to do is, let me turn you around, see if I can see it. I've sealed, obviously, the floor, and that takes 24 hours to dry. So I would say I'll be starting tomorrow. Let me turn that light around. So I would say I'll be starting tomorrow, but I won't be, because I'm going away. So this will be the end of part one. There might not be a video next week, because I'm away all week. So we'll see how we get on. I might take my laptop with me, I don't know yet. But yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, it does help the channel. Thanks for watching. I know it's not any cruising at the moment, it's just kind of getting things done to the boat before I come off this mooring, so that when I'm cruising next year, I haven't got much to do. I really want to get this bathroom done. Tatty byes for now, and I'll see you on the cut again soon.